Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Hope so. Okay, today we are just going to plan and discuss something about how to make our career bright. Okay, always we are learning our course, what the curriculum inside in our book. But today we are going to discuss out of the course. How can we plan for the further life? How can we give focused on our study? And how can we motivate ourselves to encourage ourselves to promote ourselves for the study and the further future life? So are you ready? So I have a question for you guys. So how many of you want to be success in life? Raise up your hand. How many of you want to? All of you are, yes? Hands down. Can you give me the answer of one more question? All of you want to be success in your life, but how many of you want planned for the success? How many of you want? How many of you have planned for the success? How can I success? How can I achieve what I want? Did you plan anybody? Only want to be success, but never planned. I have asked one question to you, that all of you want to be success in your life. Even I also want to be success in my life. But how many of you have planned for that? Without planning, nobody can success. Only thinking to be a success in life can't be success. You have to plan. You have to make a certain idea. You have to make a certain goal. How to achieve that goal? If I will ask among you guys that what you want to be in our future, some of you tell me, sir, I want to be a doctor. Someone will tell me, I want to be nurse, engineer, pilot, whatever. There are lots of things. But none of the students will tell me that I want to be politician, I want to be a good farmer, I want to be a bus driver. Nobody will tell me. But in future, the most of the students will be like that. Isn't it? Will be. Every types of professions will born from this age group, having the school life. We will learn everything for the future, sir. Just to be a doctor also, to be a pilot, to be an engineer, to be anything, sir. Any types of profession. So it depends upon you guys what you want to be. Not only thinking will be the achievement. Achievement will be depend on your activities, on your performance, on your concentration toward the study while the teachers are teaching. It depends upon you. So let's do something, let's do know some idea, let's create some idea, how can we be success, how can we achieve that we want in our future. We want lots of things, but we are not achieving. So to achieve, to grasp the opportunity to things that we want to be in futures, let's discuss about it. Okay? So are you ready for that? Yes. All of you? And also excited? Yes. I am also excited. I am more excited than you. Because I want to, or I am able to give something new for you. So here one second page. Let's read that page. The first one is the motivational session for a student. Not for only you, for me also. I am also getting motivated because I am going to give some idea, some technique that I know how to be success. Teacher is also profession, yes? Isn't it? So who will be teacher? So today's students, tomorrow's teacher. Isn't it? But while asking the students, how many of you want to be a teacher in the future? Nobody. But they will be. So that's okay. I have written first thing that I can do it. First of all, believe yourself. Isn't it? Is there anything impossible in the world? Only there may be some difficulties to achieve the point. But there won't be any impossible. But when teachers will ask you, have you even solved your homeworks? You easily say that, I don't know, sir. Even you haven't tried it. So from today, forgot the word I don't know. I don't know 8. You can 8 at last 8. 8 means up to now I don't know. But in tomorrow, in future, after some time, I will know. Anyhow, I will know. Either I will ask with my friend, either I will ask with my teachers, either I will ask with my seniors, but I will know. Still, I don't know, but I will know it. I don't know it, but I will know later. So you have to change your sentence from I don't know to I will know. Okay? Here are some beliefs. Here are some points by which we can think that everybody in the world are special. Isn't it? At the beginning, I have told you, some of the students will be doctors, some of the students will be pilot, some of the students will be politician, some of the students will be another profession. It means they have a special kind of what? Activities, a special kinds of talent in them. Isn't it? Every person have their own type of talent. So all are genius. Nobody are talent and the weak and the whatever. Every person are the genius. But it's depend on you how can you create your geniality. Yes? So that's why every child is a special. All of you are special. First of all, you have to believe yourself. You have to encourage yourself. And then mistakes help us to learn. If we don't do mistake, we can't learn. Have you ever know the name of the Thomas Alva Edison? Yeah. Have you ever listened? Yeah. Who is he? Yeah. He is a great scientist. Yes. He tried more than 999 times to prepare electrical bulb. But he gets failed. He prepares one time the bulb does not glow. And he no one thinks that by this way, the bulb cannot be glow. He know one idea from his mistake and he try next way, next process and again try. Don't get success. Again try, don't get success. He tried more than 999 times and he gets success in thousands times of his try to prepare an electrical bulb. So that's why we can learn lots of things from our mistake. Okay? That's why. And then a small effort bring a big success. We have to be what? Effect. Without giving any effort, we can't do anything. We should be give effort. Can you play good games without effort? Anybody? How many of you are interested to play football? I am not interested to play football, even. Okay. And cricket? Only 2-3 hands down. And how many of you want to or interested to play the PUBG? Free Fire. For Free Fire also lots of. So without effort, can you give your 100% on your game? Even interested game? No. Without effort? It does not need effort to play even Free Fire or PUBG. It needs an effort. So without effort, you can't play Free Fire, PUBG. You can't play your favorite game. Then how can you be success in the life? You can't be success without effort. So a small effort, but start from the small effort and do it continuously. So from a small efforts, bring a big success in your life. Your competition is not your friend. Listen, your competitor is not your friend. We are getting competition with a friend. That he gets a 5 marks, I get only 4 marks. Why? No. Your competition is with whom that, but your studies is yourself. Compete yourself from your studies. Compete today. What you have learned new things today than the study. The things that I have learned today I will learn something new, something more than the study. That is the competition. That is the comparison. We have to compare our knowledge, our idea, our technique with study that I had, not with my friend. I can play cricket very well. My friend can play football very well. Can I compete with him? He is good in football, I am good in cricket. I can't compete with him. But I can compete with myself. How much I can play study. Today I have to develop some new skill to play the cricket. Same thing is in the life also, in the study also, in our course book also. We have to compete ourselves that we know study should add something new today. and also we will add something new tomorrow. So the things that we know yesterday will add and becomes today, and today we will again add something will tomorrow. So similarly we can grow our knowledge, our idea, our skill step by step. Okay, and the next thing is that keep trying, keep growing. The things that I have telling you from the beginning. Always we have to try. Without trying, we can't do anything. Can we do anything? If the teachers teaches you, yes, teachers teaches you explain the topics, but you don't try on it, can you know? You just listen, remember for a while, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, you will forget it. But if you will keep trying, if you will do trying again and again, it will be remembered on the brain forever. I have one question for you, and ask yourself also. I think most of the students ask yourself also that once you read, forgotten during the examination, but the teachers can freely explain the classroom. Why? It is because you have read, you have practiced a lot, but forgotten. During examination, during writing time, you forget. But teachers, when comes in the classroom, will explain very easily. Why? Because teachers are practicing so many times. The same thing I have teaches you this year, and same thing I will teach the next year also. So for me, it is repeating again and again. That's why I can easily explain the topic, because the topic is same, and I am explaining the same topic so many times. That's why if you try same thing so many times, it will be very easy, comfortable for you. Okay? So try a lot and try continuously, not even one time. If you do same thing several times, you will learn, you will grow very easily. So that's why keep trying and keep growing. Okay, so we are entered into the next page. Let's know, let's motivate, inspire ourselves. That I am asking you some question. How many of you are good in mathematics? How many of you? Few students are good in mathematics. Yes. How many of you are good in drawing? Little more students, and the different students. The major thing is that the different students who are good in mathematics is not good in drawing, but who are good in drawing is not good in mathematics. And how many of you are good at singing? Yes. Those are not good in mathematics, drawing, are good in singing. Okay, hands down. How many of you are good at play football or sport other games? Okay, there is little more difference. Those students are not good in mathematics, not good in drawing, not good in singing, are good in the sport. Hands down. And then, how many of you are good at the science knowledge? Little more difference, students. Sit down, sit down. Hands down. Why I have asked this question? My motive is to show you that every person have different categories of idea. Every person have different skill, knowledge, passion. So by this they can use their sector for the futures. Okay? If my friend is good in mathematics, don't feel embarrassed that I am not good. You are good in singing. You are good in other activities. So in which activity you are focused on that activity and give that activity more priority on your future life. Okay? Even you are good in any sector, focus on that sector. Remember these three golden rules for every sector. Even good in mathematics, drawing, singing, playing, sport, everything. Try. If something is difficult, don't say I can't. Even I have told you, don't say I can't. But say what? I will try. If you don't know, doesn't matter. But I will try. Either it is math, or in science, or in social, or in sport, whatever, any criteria. You can, don't say from today that I can't, but say that I will try. Will you? So what you will say from today? Or will you say I can't? Will you say I can't? What you will say? Very good. Then, if you make a mistake, ask yourself, yes, what can I learn from it? While doing any activity, while playing, while doing any activity in your home, sometimes it may be some mistake, yes? Then ask yourself, what can I learn from that mistake? Our fathers, our brother, our sister, our elders, our teachers suggest us that you are doing mistake, yes? But then ask yourself that what I can learn from my mistake. Then only you will be grow. Okay? And one thing is that never give up for anything. If you don't success today, try it again tomorrow. Sometime it may occur. What I am doing today, the result will be not recently. It takes time. So don't be hurry. Be patient. Take a patience on yourself. Wait for the result. So in your hand there is no result. In your hand there is practice, continuity, consistency on your activities. Okay? So now let's say together everybody for today. From tomorrow we have to apply on our life. Tell yourself, I am special. From beginning, I am special. Are you? All of you are. What? Special. Some of you are special in cricket. Some of you are special in football. Some of you are special in drawing, singing, dancing, whatever. Yes, but you are special. Everybody are? Special. So say yourself, I am special. I can. I can. I will. I will. I will. I will. I will. Really? Are you promising me? You are promising me that from today you will never ever give up on your achievement, for your success, for your activities. If you are weak in mathematics, learn it continuously. Practice it. In your hand, practice is there. So do it continuously. Not even 2 days only. Forever. Okay? Will you? Yes. Okay then. Let's personal challenge. Let's make some challenge for us. And that challenge should be accepted. Will you accept the challenge? Yes. All of you will accept? If you will accept, then you have to flow also. Okay, let's read the challenge and tell together. From tomorrow, choose one small goal every day. Yes, for yourself. Every day for a small goal. And the goal may be according to your difficulties. If you are getting difficult in your social, then make some goal that I will clear my topic on that topic of that subject. If you are getting some confusion, some difficulties in mathematics, then make a goal. Anyhow, I have to clear that topic. For that, you have to take the help of friend. You can take. For that, if you need to take the help of your senior. You can take. If you need the help of with teachers, you can take. But anyhow, your goals will be completed, achieved. So that everybody read continuously. I will read for. This is the extra activities. Extra read, not only homework. After completing your homework, after completing your reading homeworks as well, writing homeworks as well, after doing every school activities, it's extra word. I will read for 15 minutes for whose thing? Where you are weak. Okay. So I will read for. It is for daily. I will practice 5 math questions every day. Will? Okay, read. I will. All of you? Will you? Okay, again then. I will. And then I. Again. You can help your friend by which process? How you can help? For example, if you know one question of mathematics and search in your class who don't know that question, go to near him or her and then teach them. While teaching, while explaining, you will get more knowledge. Isn't it? So by on that concept, you should. I will again do. I will help every day. Okay? Then, will you? If I enter in your class, can I see your classroom properly neat and clean? Really? Okay. So a small improvement every day create a big success in one day. That is your tagline. Remember on it. And I hope you will feel energetic on yourself. Are you feeling energetic? Are you? And the things that you have told me, will you flow or not? Will you flow? So can you achieve something new? Will you achieve or not? So will you achieve? Will you learn? I hope so. Okay? And you can get success in your life as soon as possible. So first of all, create a goal, and to achieve the goal, choose the right way. Okay? And hope you will choose it. Okay? Are fine or not? Are you okay, everybody? Will you do? Yes. Then thank you if you do. Okay, thank you, friend, everybody.